We designed 3 new novel instruments in a team of 12 people, and then we had to create like a Kickstarter campaign around it.
We wanted to make it something that was interesting and engaging, something that kind of resonated with the students' experience, and we just wanted it to be something that was really going to stretch them and challenge them.
We wanted to have the students make something they wouldn't naturally associate with engineering. So musical instruments is something that's quite different, but actually there's a lot of physics and engineering behind the principles. Coming in as first years, we haven't taught them a lot of the mechanical engineering skills, and it enabled us to introduce some of those skills to start with, and point them in the direction where they would be learning those other skills, but they could start applying them now and start using them on something that they wouldn't necessarily have thought to do as an engineering student.
On this module, I've learned a lot about risk assessments because there's a lot of high voltage parts in my instrument, so that was quite interesting. A lot of time management. Had I not, there'd have been no instrument today, so learned a lot.
I would definitely recommend this module. It was a lot of fun. It's a good chance to meet people on your course as well. That was a big thing. Like you're forced to be around this group a lot of the time, like and out of university as well. But no, yeah, it was really fun. Yeah, did enjoy it a lot. I
would recommend this module. It's good fun. There's so many different ideas you can come up with that no two will be the same, so you'll always have sort of like your own design, which for me was very satisfying.
I'm just so proud of what the students have achieved. We've created these amazing manufacturing facilities, we've given them some tools, and they've just completely run away with the designs and things that they've come up with. They're not limited by having just a bit of balsa wood and a glue gun anymore. They can go and laser cut things out, they can prototype designs and easily manufacture it, and then just come up with whatever they can dream up in their heads. And that gives them just such an opportunity to develop, to experiment and to find out what they're capable of. So I'm massively proud of what they've achieved. We set them a high task and they've really risen to the task, haven't they? So.
Yeah, I'd recommend it. I enjoyed it. It was fun. We made friends. And yeah, it was just fun to hang out, do it all together.